I'm gonna show y'all how to make a cheap version of a shepherd's pie in the summer when you can't turn your stove on. Brown up that ground beef. Heat up your mixed veggies. And don't tell anybody. Microwave them mashed potatoes. While your meat is browning, salt, pepper, Worcestershire. You know, does anybody really know how to say that? I don't know. I'll take about a tablespoon of flour, put this on it. I'm gonna keep on cooking it. Kind of like you do a biscuits and gravy, getting your gravy ready. Season this to taste, of course. If you need to add a little bit of water or beef broth, you can do that too. All right, you're gonna want to combine these two. Mix them up. Continue salting and pepper however you see fit. Transfer this into a pie plate. And then you're going to put your microwave mashed potatoes on top. Just keep going until it's covered. All right, and go put your cheese on top. 2 ways you can get this to melt. Pop it in the microwave for a couple minutes, let it get it. Or put it in your oven on a low broil for about 2 minutes. If you really want to turn your oven on. And there you have it. It is the lazy, it's too darn hot to turn the oven on, cheater, shepherd / cottage pie.